Hi children, good morning. How are you all? I'm your EVS teacher Darshna and today I'm gonna teach you magic words. So children, do you know what is magic? Magic means the skill of performing tricks to entertain people. You all must have seen magic shows at school or at another place with parent. Their magician shows you a different tricks to please you. In the same way, we have magic words to please people. Magic words are simple words which we use to interact with others. Magic words also teach us good manners. There are five magic words which everyone needs to know and use. Please repeat after me. Number one, please. Number two, I'm sorry. Number three, thank you. Number four, welcome. Number five, excuse me. Let's start with please. When we want something from others, we use the word please. For example, Mama, could you please give me another piece of cake? Reena, could you please share your toy with me? Use please when you ask permission to do something. For example, you want to drink water during the class hours. Then you should say, Ma'am, may I please drink some water? When we want others to do something for us, we use please. For example, you want your dad to open the door for you. Then you should say, Dad, could you please open the door for me? We use please when we are inviting someone. For example, please attend my birthday party. Now we shall say when to use the magic word I'm sorry. Say sorry when you hurt others or you break someone's belonging accidentally. For example, while playing with your friends in garden, you push him by mistake, then you should say, I'm sorry, I hurt you. We should say sorry when we break someone's belonging accidentally. For example, while playing with your friend's toy and you break it accidentally, then you should say, I'm sorry, I broke your toy by mistake. When we have not heard something what someone has said and we want them to repeat it, then we should say, sorry, could you say it again? Or sorry, could you repeat it again? Okay, now let us see when to use the magic word thank you. Say thank you when you get something. For example, when we receive gift, whether on birthday or any other day, we should always say thank you. Thank you for the gift. We should say thank you when someone lends you their things. For example, if your friend gives you a pencil to write, you say, thank you for giving me your pencil. We should always thank our parent for taking good care of us. For example, thank you mom, thank you dad for taking good care of me. We should always thank God for giving us a beautiful life. For example, thank you God for giving me a wonderful, beautiful and happy life. Now let's see when to use the magic word excuse me. We use excuse me when we want to join ongoing conversation. For example, when your friends are talking and you want to join them, then you have to ask, excuse me, may I join you? We should always say excuse me before entering a place. For example, you want to enter the classroom, then you should say, excuse me, may I come in? Or excuse me, may I get in? When you sneeze in between the class, then you should say, excuse me for disturbing you all. Now we shall see when to use the magic word welcome. We say welcome when someone comes to our home or our country. For example, when we receive someone at airport or station, we say welcome to our country or welcome to our city. We should always say welcome when someone comes to our home. For example, when a guest or a friend comes to your home, then you should say welcome to my home. When a new student joins our class, then we should say let's welcome our new friend to our class. Now let's revise the magic word once again. Okay. Please, I'm sorry, thank you, welcome, excuse me. So children, repeat all the magic words once again after me. Please, I'm sorry, thank you, welcome, excuse me. Very good children. Practice work. Identify the correct magic words with the help of your parent and color it. Children, can you all see that I have given different words in the clouds? You need to identify correct 5 magic words and you have to color it. Color only the magic words. Don't color any other words. Refer the given below link to see the rhyme on magic word. I know children, you all like to see the rhyme, correct? Fine then. See the rhyme on magic words and learn the pleasing words to please people. Thank you children. Thank you all for your kind attention. See you all in our next class. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning.